Today, we are comparing two of the most popular virtualization tools available, VMware Workstation and VirtualBox. We'll cover these features, performance, ease of use, and more to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. First, let's start with an overview. VMware Workstation is a commercial product developed by VMware. It was first released in 1999, making it one of the earliest desktop virtualization products on the market. VirtualBox, on the other hand, is an open source solution developed by Oracle, originally released in 2007. Despite being younger, VirtualBox has gained a large following due to its cost-free usage and extensive features. Let's look at the installation process. VMware Workstation offers a streamlined installation with a user-friendly interface. Simply downloading the installer from the VMware website, run it, and follow the on-screen instruction. The process is quick and hassle-free. VirtualBox, being open source, also offers an easy installation process. Download the installer from the VirtualBox website, run it, and follow the steps. While it may take a bit longer than VMware Workstation, it's still straightforward and accessible for beginners. Next, let's create a new virtual machine. In VMware Workstation, click on Create a new virtual machine. Choose the type of configuration, select the OS, installation method, allocate resources like RAM and disk space, and finish the setup. VMware Workstation provides advanced options for fine-tuning your VM settings. In VirtualBox, click on New, enter the VM name and type. Choose the OS version, allocate memory, create a virtual hard disk, and complete the setup. VirtualBox offers extensive customization options and supports a wide range of guest operating systems. Now, let's talk about performance. VMware Workstation is renowned for its robust performance and stability, making it ideal for running resource-intensive applications and multiple VMs simultaneously. It also offers seamless integration with other VMware products. VirtualBox, while not as powerful as VMware Workstation, still delivers impressive performance for most use cases. It's particularly well suited for development, testing, and running lightweight applications. Its cross-platform compatibility is a significant advantage for users operating in diverse environments. Cost is a crucial factor for many users. VMware Workstation Pro costs $249 for a perpetual license, with an option to upgrade at a reduced price. VMware also offers a more affordable version, VMware Workstation Player, which is free for non-commercial use but lacks some advanced features. VirtualBox, being open source, is completely free for use, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Keeping software up to date is essential for security and performance. VMware Workstation typically receives major updates annually, with minor updates and patches released throughout the year. VirtualBox also has a consistent update schedule, with several releases each year that includes new features, improvements, and security fixes. Both tools offer a range of additional features. VMware Workstation includes advanced networking capabilities, snapshot management, and support for high-resolution display. VirtualBox offers features like seamless mode, shared folders, and a comprehensive set of command line tools. In conclusion, the choice between VMware Workstation and VirtualBox depends on your specific needs. If you require top-notch performance, advanced features, and professional support, VMware Workstation is the better choice. However, if you are looking for a cost-effective, versatile, and user-friendly solution, VirtualBox is an excellent option. Thanks for watching this comparison on the Ultra Blue channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best tech tutorials and information. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Until next time.